Now that I want to record, my neighbors decide they want to send their kids out in the backyard to play in the kiddie pool. Disrespectful. Anyway, hey people, hey YouTube family, welcome back to another video. I really appreciate you guys clicking on that link to watch another video from me. I truly appreciate it. Also, to all the new subscribers, thank you. Welcome to this channel. Welcome to the madness and the craziness. And to all my old time subscribers, thank you for continuing to support me and to support me on my journey. Appreciate it. So in this video, I will be doing the why I love the lock community tag. This tag was brought to us by the wonderful, the enthusiastic, the original, the thought provoker, Mr. Atreyu Locks. So he was the first one that I saw that did this video. I believe he created the tag, and it really inspired me to do this video as well. I'm not sure if you guys are used to his channel. I will link that particular video below, but one of his main focus, which I appreciate, is his drive, is his determination and his aim to unify the lock community, to make it stronger so that we can learn more from each other, so that we can pass on ideas, so we can build and grow together as a lock community, strong together. So with that said, I also saw my girl Keisha and Dinkra. She did this video as well. So now I'm going to take the leap and I'm going to tell you guys why I love the lock community. One of the reasons why I love the lock community here on YouTube is the ability to just get so much information. I love the fact that people are sharing their progress from day one to day whatever, and we're teaching, we're learning as we're going in this process. I have learned so much from watching YouTube videos, and that's the thing that I love. It is a community where we teach each other, where we say, okay, we tried this, I tried this didn't work, this worked, you shouldn't try this, but try it at your own risk. It's a way where we learn. It's not where we're bringing each other down. It's where we're saying, okay, this is my experience, this is what worked for me, try it and see if it worked for you. So it's a community, it's a place where we are actually teaching each other. We're teachers and we're students at the same time. So while I'm here discussing my journey and I'm showing what works for me, what I could have changed and so on and so forth, I'm also watching other videos to learn and to think about mistakes that I should not make or things that I should do to enhance my lock journey. Another reason why I love the lock community is so far, I mean, knocking all the wood everywhere I could find in this bathroom, but I have not seen or received any negativity. Yes, I've seen different viewpoints, I've discussed it, we have different takes on things, but as far as the negativity goes, I haven't seen it or experienced it, and I'm thankful for that. I know in other communities, which I'm also a part of, it is there, but here in the lock community, we're so focused on basically learning about this locking process. We're so focused on this journey that we're on, this lifestyle, that I don't feel that we have the time to just devote our energy into negative thinking or disrespectful or, you know, backlashing at each other. It's more of, how can I learn from this person, or how can I learn through this process? So I have had nothing but positive encouragement, positive comments, and even times when someone didn't agree with something I did or something I said, the way that they addressed it was very respectful, and we had a respectful conversation. Even when I don't agree with certain things that some people do in the lock community, the way we respond, I have seen, it's only been in a respectful way, or I would just not say anything at all. So far, like I said, knock on wood where you are. Wherever you are, find some wood and knock on it. But I've only had positive experience, and I pray and I hope it stays that way. Another reason why I love the lock community is growing locks is not just a one and done kind of thing. It's actually a lifestyle. It's actually a long-term process. So with that, it's more of a long-term investment into your hair. It's more of a long-term investment, a long-term, like you're on a long-term journey together. And I feel that brings us more together, because you can't just say, if you're in it for the long run, then I'm going to lock my hair today and I'm not going to lock it tomorrow, unless you're playing games. But if you're really serious about locking your hair, it is it's years and years of continually learning, continually improving, continually learn about your own hair, watching other people. So that those years and years of just watching and learning and motivating, it just makes the community stronger and stronger, because it's not like a 1 week kind of thing. It's years and years and years of techniques, years and years of videos, years and years of education, years and years of knowledge. So all of that time just makes us stronger together. What else? I'm think of something. In between time, I think okay. What else? Diversity of locks. You have big locks, small locks, micro locks, short locks, long locks, colored locks, black locks, rainbow locks, and it's so diverse, and the experiences are so different. No one story is the same. Everyone's story is different. Everyone's reason behind getting locks is different. Everyone's reason to continue to keep their locks is different. Everyone's reason to cut their locks is different. It is such a diverse and interesting community where so many variables come into play. So many different lives are being recorded and touched and viewed. Sorry about the noise, you guys. But it's just like so many different stories are being told through the videos and the recordings that we produce. And also it is embedded in our hair follicle. Everybody's story is different. Everyone's lock journey is different. And to really watch and see the differences, to me it's amazing. I value it. I enjoy watching lock videos and hearing lock stories, because I just like hearing about people. I love learning about people, and that's just me personally. So this is why I enjoy it so much. I watch a lot of lock videos, and it just motivates me and just keeps me grounded to see where someone else came from and where they are right now. So that's another reason why I love the lock community. Last but not least, I just love the lock community because y'all show me love back. Alright, you see what I'm saying? Y'all love me, I love you, we love each other, we good. So in honor of Lock Appreciation Day, I wanted to do this video to say why I love the lock community. So don't forget, Lock Appreciation Day is June 25th here in New York. I will be attending the Lock Appreciation Day event in Brooklyn held by Miss Jasmine Rose. I will be there, so if you guys are in the New York area, don't forget to buy your tickets. Hope to see you guys there. I know some of you guys will be coming. You guys already hit me up, and I can't wait to meet up with you guys. But also I'm gonna try to vlog the event, so that vlog might come out afterwards if I get the chance. But if not, I'll definitely be Snapchatting the entire event. So don't forget to follow me on Snapchat at Kayajourney, so that if you can't make it, at least you can see snippets and snaps from the event while we are there celebrating. But if you can't make it, celebrate in your own way. Enjoy your locks, enjoy Lock Appreciation Day, and don't forget to enjoy your journey. Bye, you guys.